What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all of the new subscribers and, of course, all of the current subscribers. It is the 28th of March, early in the morning on this Tuesday. We're looking at Casper. It's been a couple days here, but we're starting to get a move that is playing out one of these scenarios anyways that we spoke about. So let's do a recap here, fill you guys in on at least what I am thinking on Casper. Guys, welcome to the channel. So a quick recap of the last Casper / Tether USDT, ticker symbol CSPR USDT video that we did was, and we actually still have it here on the chart. Let me get rid of this watch list over here. So we drew this, call it a pennant pattern here with our resistance line and our support line, not perfect, but within that pattern there. And we spoke about a scenario that we actually break out to the downside. And obviously fast forwarding a couple days or so, that is what is taking place here. Casper is basically broke beneath that on the 24th, so 4 days ago, and is basically down roughly 7, 8, 9% or so from that breakout. So that was one of these scenarios that I spoke about. On the positive side, guys, is yesterday's candle actually found support at our 0.0334 level. So that is right here. That's this whitish to grayish line on the chart. And we've seen the price find support there multiple times. We saw it find support there over in January. Although we did break below, ultimately we rallied off of it. What happened again over here in February? Big candle wick down to it, close way up here, little rally. Vicious sell-off in March. Where did it stop? Right at the 334 before we got a pump. Price found resistance at our three levels, which would be 366, 363, 30, 361 right here. This whole area kind of within this pattern here. That's resistance. And then we rolled over. Yesterday's low was 335. And my level is at 334. So we got very close and then pulled away there, reversed back to the upside. So guys, we could find support here once again and then move to the upside. That is a possibility. I want to show you real quick on the 3-minute time frame. Here is an example of getting close to one of our lines right here. Almost there, and then getting a reaction to the upside. That's how these levels work, both to the upside and to the downside. So if you're wondering why I have so many lines on my chart, they are basically I use them as a map to kind of figure out where the price is most likely to either one, find resistance above the market, or two, find support below the market, like we've seen here at this 334 level before. So although we have found support multiple times at this level, there is a chance that one of these times, we've tested it 3, 4, 5 times or so. There is a chance that we get that break below it one of these times. That is a possibility. If that takes place, it could be down to 318, 313, 310. These are all potential stopping points. I still keep if you've been watching these videos for a while, I have a target down here lower in like the 280s, 290s, basically within this circle here for Casper based on this pattern over here to the downside. So that would put the price down quite a bit from where we are currently at. Call another, 12 to 15 or so %. Not saying that's going to happen, but it's a possibility. There's also the possibility that we find support at 334 because why? The price has shown us that that's an important area and it has found support there in the past. So that's two scenarios that could play out. One, we could find support as soon as today, tomorrow, and then, at least have a green candle to the upside. Or two, it gets broken viciously to the downside and we head down to our 318s, 313, 310, maybe into the 280s or 290s. So that's a couple different scenarios to play out. Our 318, 313 level, which are these three lines right here, they represent basically the highs, the resistance of this pattern over in here in December, November, January of 2022. So to see the price pull back to there and stop, which would in theory turn old resistance into support, is possible as well. So not the most bullish news on Casper, at least the way I'm looking at this right now, since we are getting that breakout to the downside out of this, very rough pennant pattern, not perfect by any means, but we are moving lower. And we spoke about that in the last Casper video. Also, some more great news here, guys, is the RSI is trending lower. So not getting any kind of divergence. It's not trending higher. It is trending lower and looks like it's going to be doing that for at least the time being. So, guys, that is my thoughts on Casper right now. We're either one, going to break below our 334, or two, we're going to find support there like we did yesterday. Our low yesterday was once again 335. So we almost hit our 334, but not quite. And then we would rally. So look for support there. But the more the price tests this 334 level and keeps coming back to it, the more concerned I get that we actually will get a break below that, almost like a topping pattern here, and we start to break lower. Lowest target right now is, like I said, is down in that 280, 290 level, which is like a 12 to 15% move lower. And then if that, if the price finds support before that, it's 318, 313, 310. That's these three lines right here. So that is my thoughts on Casper. Unfortunately, it's not the most bullish scenario, but it is what is playing out. So let's just take it for what it is and look for areas for the price to find support. So if you're looking to accumulate more, you can, try to accumulate in areas where the price is most likely going to find support before beginning to move higher. So that is my thoughts, guys, on Casper. Thanks for hanging around and watching this video. Thanks to the 1,830 or 1,860 subscribers so far. Appreciate it, guys. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and join us here. Turn on those notifications and you'll be notified when we put out these videos. Most of them come out pretty early in the morning. Sometimes we'll do some nightly videos as well. Feel free to leave your thoughts down in the comments. Of course, all comments are welcome. If you have not downloaded your trade tracker yet, go ahead and there's a link down in the video description, one of the first links. It's a free worksheet I created, and it's for basically the traders. You can use it for investing as well. You basically fill it in with the criteria that you're using for either trading stocks or cryptos or investing long-term in a retirement account. You basically fill in, your account information if you want to or if you need to, and then you fill in, whatever asset it is you're trading, your price targets, your notes, your goals, what kind of trade it is. And then, you can in theory have a whole binder or a whole workbook of all of these trades, an opening trade, a closing trade, and then your notes on why you put on that trade. And it's good for, filing and looking back and learning on, what strategy worked, what strategy didn't work. And so check that out. It's down in the link. It's called the Trade Tracker. It is a free worksheet you guys can download. You guys have a great day. It's the 28th of March, heading into the end of the month here. April coming in quick. Unfortunately, Casper not looking too good right now. But if you're looking to buy more, then this might be your time. All right, guys, take care.